Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. This is just a super quick one, so it won't take you long at all. I hate these wooden knobs and they come on so much furniture, and I've got to admit I save everything, so, and I've got quite a lot built up and I thought, what can I do with them, you know, before I throw them away. And I thought, as you do. So I'm just going to show you what I've done with some. Hope we're all alright. I'm doing okay. So this is just a, oh, too much in there. This is just a cake mould that I got from Hobbycraft yonks ago. But I do like it because I quite like the little rose that's in it. I thought, So it produces a flower like that. And then all I do is just slightly pull it. Oh, here, look, here's me not organised again. I've got no glue and no tart. Yes, what I do is pull it slightly, and then is this going to be stuck as well now? Just put some on, not too much. No. Oops. Or is this how today's going to be going for me, I think. And then just mould it on. Not too much so it destroys your flower. That's probably a little bit too much actually. But it covers all your flower, look. And then you've got like a really posh, unique, different knob that once painted, once you flatten all the, I mean obviously take the time and flatten these sides down so that they look, plus give them better adhesion as well. Now I don't know how long these are going to last because it came to me on a piece of furniture I've just done, which I'll show you in a minute. But I just thought, you know, sick to death of these horrible wood knobs that I've got loads of. So that's one. And then if we have a quick flick through, there's about to be loads more we can use. We don't want one that's like too big. Oh, well, that is the roses. Should we do a roses one? That one probably. Obviously it's a slightly different rose, it's a flatter rose. I'm not sure if this may be better on a smaller knob. Thank you.
Talking about me then?
Yeah. But it just gives, obviously you've got to fiddle with it a little bit so it doesn't stick up anywhere. But again, you've got something that's slightly, I think that one would be better on a smaller one, or spreading the sides down a little bit more. But how cool is that? quite like that one actually. What else have we got? What about one of these? We could have one of these on as well, couldn't we? Oh, I don't know. That one would be far too big. Do this one. So then you've got that one. Oops. Find a little smaller one. Try not to distort it too much. And then once it's painted, you're not really going to notice it, are you? I've got a really big one here. I'm just trying to think what I could pop on that. Maybe one of the bigger ones. No, they're too big, you see, to completely cover it. What about the wilderness one? We can try that one, can't we? That one, I think. Yeah, look, I'm back with my fingers again. Didn't take long, did it? Yeah, because I mean, I always discard these and pop them in a bag and then go out and spend £3–4 on new ones each, that is, where you can buy a bag of clay, £4. You've already got your handles. And then one that you don't normally look at, a mould, may become a new one for, you know, just for your knobs as such. I mean, I think when it's all painted and dried, I mean, how different. I mean, I'm hoping that they'll stay on just as well as they do on the furniture, because obviously it's been stuck with wood glue, so it's always held really well on, I don't even know what I'm saying. Yeah, it's always held really well on the furniture. But like I say, I only thought of it the other day and I thought, yeah, I'm going to do that. So, I will. And then when they're dry, you can do whatever you want with them, can't you? I'll just turn the thing now, because me being organised as usual, not. And I'll show you one that I did. Right, motion sickness, sorry guys. I've not been sat doing nothing, you know. I am busy. It's just nothing that can be filmed really, because it's just painting. So it's all a bit boring. But this is what I've put them on. And what do we think? It's just a plain white. I've given it just like a slight distress on the top, and then it's white everywhere. And I thought it's dead boring, so I've done that. And all I did was what we've just seen there. So what do we think? You'll have to let me know if you give it a try. But I shall never look at wooden knobs again the same. Alright guys, so I just thought that added something dead unique. You can't go and buy them in the shop, so it's not going to be on anyone else's stuff. And it was Eleanor approved, who's sulking again because she's had to have a bath in a special shampoo again, ain't ya, Eleanor? Hey, Eleanor, are you sulking? Hey, oh dear, she hates living with me now, don't you? Hey, having to have a bath again every day because she not leave her bloody legs alone. I know. Christ, she looks like a little seal there, don't she? Look how fat she is. But anyway, I do apologise, I'll soon get distracted. So, like I say, it's just a quick one, but I thought, how cool are they? Like I say, you can use it on any of your moulds. Oops, sorry guys. So if you do give it a go, let me know. And if you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks a lot. See you again. Bye.